Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. I wanted to go over saws in my budget camping videos. Okay, so I want to address this real quick, and that's silky saws. I don't own any silky saws because I already own saws, and I couldn't justify going out and just spending money on saws when I already have several. So I don't doubt their quality. But as far as budget gear goes, I would say that they're not budget friendly. Not that they're not worth the money, because it seems like everyone says that they're just the greatest thing since sliced bread. And I can't remember if I took notes on some of their costs. I'm checking my phone to see if I actually wrote some prices down. So I had notes on my phone on some costs, so I must have deleted it. So I'll throw some on the screen. I'm going to do an Amazon search and just see how much some cost. But I wouldn't say that they were budget. Okay, so the saws that I have, the Corona, which is pretty popular on YouTube. A lot of people, they're love-hate. A lot of people love them, a lot of people hate them. It's not bad for the money that you spend, like 20 bucks. You can get them at Lowe's, you can get them at Home Depot. They're not bad. They're not great, but they're not bad. It's just a pruning saw, but it works pretty well. I've always suggested just go to Lowe's or Home Depot if you're already there. Just check them out. Maybe pick one up, take it home, take it out to the woods, use it a few times. You don't like it, just return it. Get your money back. Problem solved. Now this one is Landscapers. I actually kind of was wrong about this saw. I kept saying it was like $3.99 or $4.99, but when I was last at McClendon's Hardware, it was $13.99. So my apologies for just failing and getting the price wrong. I hate giving bad information, so I do really apologize. I didn't mean to be wrong like that, but I was misrepresenting the cost. So, and then there's the Fiskars bow saw, which I bought at Lowe's because I went there. I forgot a saw, so I stopped to get one. And this was, of the three, this is $10. So I would consider $10 pretty budget. And here comes the damn car. Alrighty, so that's just some quick saw options. $20, $14, $10. And that is not a heavy saw to carry around. In fact, this is what I'm going to be taking out to the woodsman with me today because I'm going to go get some fire going. And as always, thanks for watching. Let me know what you think in the comments. Agree, disagree, what have you. And I'll catch you in the next.